Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can simply add file manager to your WordPress website, really similar to FTP. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on plugins, and you're right here, you want to add a new plugin, and in search plugins you want to write file manager. And you're gonna see it right here, file manager, install now. Okay, and activate it. Right when you got it, you're gonna see it right here. And voila, no thanks. You can edit everything. You got settings here, preferences, use roles to access WordPress, like who can access it. And you can literally edit everything here. So this is how you can simply add file manager to your WordPress website. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.